how did I get all of this new hair to start growing in all over my head? I recently lost a lot of weight, like 50 pounds in just over 6 months. And when you lose a lot of weight relatively quickly like that, it's very, very common to shed a bunch of hair for your hair to thin out. This is because it's a little bit stressful on your body, and losing your hair is a stress response. It doesn't even matter why you lose weight or how you lose weight. Most people, when they lose a bunch of weight really quickly, are gonna lose some hair. So people keep asking me, how did I get it to start growing back? What have I done? My answer is absolutely nothing. I would love to be able to tell you it was one specific product or oil or something that I could sell you and make a butt ton of money off of. But the truth is, no matter why your hair started to shed and fall out, once you rectify the problem, in my case now that I'm in a maintenance phase and I'm no longer losing significant amounts of weight every month, the hair will just start to grow back on its own. And the massaging and the oils and the hair products can definitely help to make sure that those hair follicles are strong and going to produce hair as quickly as possible for you. But really at the end of the day, even if you do absolutely nothing, as long as you get your body back to where it should be, get your body healthy or whatever, rectify whatever reason it was that your hair was falling out in the first place, your hair is going to grow back. And if it doesn't, you don't need to go to the hair gurus for hair products. You need to go see your doctor.